we're back. So yesterday, we got the character down, and there was a lot of debugging, which was super annoying. Today we're just gonna finish it out. Obviously, it's the first game I've made, so we're starting very small. The actual game is gonna be more of an FPS game, but you gotta start somewhere, right? So let's just keep moving forward. So yesterday we got the movement to work. If you remember, it started going all crazy for a while. It would just spin until you threw up, and now we should have this all fixed. So yeah, this works now. We're printing this. All right, we're gonna make a new C++ class. We're gonna do an actor. We made a static mesh for our player. We need to make a static mesh for the ball item. So you property visible anywhere. So it's visible anywhere in our blueprints. Read only, and then we got category to component. What? I don't want to do this now. Come on. I can't wait on this? Oh my god, that's annoying. Whatever. We'll just do it. Oh, okay. Create a new blueprint from base. In BP item base. Static mesh. Whoa. No, we don't want that. We want a cube. Oh, okay, it is. It's a cube. Let's put this by the ball. There we go. Nice. Rotation rate, 90. Cool. Actually, what happens if we run into this now? Nothing. We haven't done anything with that yet. So once it's overlapped, we can call destroyed. I'm assuming it would just be after because we don't want to destroy all of them, right? Destroy actor. Let's try this out. It doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. It can't just be that easy. I think we're gonna have to do the closeout Unreal Engine. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna save this. Let's just save all of that. We're gonna compile this from Visual Studio, and then we'll reopen Unreal Engine. Hopefully that fixes it like last time. Please, please work. I don't want a repeat of yesterday. Okay, so that's working now. So we are gonna do a little effect. So basically, I hit the boxes, and then it's gonna set this rotation based off of the rotating movement multiplied by 10, and then over a half a second, it's gonna speed up, and then it'll get destroyed. Let's just test this out. All right, let's see. Hey, okay. It doesn't look that great, but it is what it is. I should have added more actors. Make a little jump. Oh, missed that one. Okay. You know what I could go for right now? A Little Caesar stuffed crust pizza. It's probably one of the best deals in pizza out there. $5 for a medium stuffed crust pizza. You don't even have to wait. Canvas panel. Text. Anchor position 0. Anchors. Let's put it to the middle. There we go. Text block. We want that to be 0. All right. Content. Items collected. How do we resize this? Okay. How do we make it a variable? Is variable. Got it. Alright, I gotta eat. Mary needs to go for a walk. There's literally like an hour left, so I'm gonna finish this up later. Have a good night. Alright, so we're back. We're gonna finish this game. Where do we even leave off? I honestly don't remember. Oh, the widgets. We have to add the widget up here so that when we collect all the boxes, we know how many there are when we win. I mean, you can't make a super fun game if you don't know when you win, so. Yes! 4 out of 6. 6 out of 6. Okay, well, numbers are a little off. I mean, this is great. This is actually fun. I kind of like this color. Nice and bright. We need some brightness after the last hour of not getting this to work. Damn. This is cool. Oh, let's not come off. Let's see what happens when we fall off. I think we just fall forever. I mean, this game is super fun so far. Let's make the grass a little bit darker here. It's just kind of, you know, it's a little bright. I think I like a nice dark grass like that. Maybe even a little bit darker. Wait, is this actually applying? It is. Okay, yeah, I just gotta make it darker. What would it look like if it was just gold? Yeah, it's... Ooh, more like a desert map? That actually kind of looks okay. Alright. I think the lighting's really messing with this. Super performant. I've actually made the game look worse by trying to make it look better. Alright, this game sucks. I'm done with this. I will see you guys next time.